I'm Apuy. I'm the COO of WiFirst. WiFirst is a wireless internet provider, French one, that was founded in 2002. So it's been 12 years now. And we are now one of the leading companies in France that delivers Wi-Fi connection. We started to work with Aerohive Solutions back in 2010. And we found this product really interesting because it was a very, very convenient and very efficient way to centrally manage our access points using the Hive Manager. It's really helpful for the operations teams. First, it helped them install the networks. It allows them to make their rollouts very easily. We have a very wide range of customers from the student dorms to the hotels, maybe for business customers or tourists. Our customers want to focus on their work, and their work is not delivering internet connection to their customers, maybe for student dorms or for hotels. So they trust us to do that, to take care of internet for them. We observed on our network a growth of more than 25% per user per year consumption of data. Okay, so we have more devices, more data usage, so you need to have a network that can handle that. Sometimes putting more access points can make things worse. That's one reason why we've chosen Aerohive products, because we tested its radio capacities, and we found that it was a really good solution. And we managed to decrease the number of access points we put on some places by putting Aerohive solutions. So that was very interesting because it means less installation costs, less operation costs, and at the end of the day, better quality for the customer.